Going over the trades on the day, minus 2,500, minus 25.25 in live trading on the 200K portfolio, minus 890 in the 50K, and the hypotheticals are minus 2402 and minus 720.75. And so we underperformed the hypotheticals a little bit. And we'll go over the trades on the day. You see the stock index portfolio 18 was up 250. The Blitz 10 was minus 26.52.50. There was really just one strategy that really affected us and hurt us today, and that was Zig Zag. It lost 33.87.50. Got chopped up pretty good, and without that strategy, it would have been a profitable day. The Blitz 10 would have done better. See, if you take out Zig Zag, then you're up 735 on the day. And on the Blitz 10 and 250 on the stock index portfolio 18, but that one strategy got us. I'll show you that in a minute, and we'll go over the trading system signals. Let's look at the S&P. The S&P was 1 for 3 in the base stock index portfolio 18. We had the tick fader. Would have been nice to have a bigger profit target on that. You see what this market did. It just it chopped at the beginning of the day, one strong sell-off, and then chop the rest of the day. So considering how much chop we had today, especially at the close, if you zoom in on the close and you just look at the chop on the close, it looked like it was about to break out multiple times. It looked like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 different breakouts on a very small time frame. If you look at that, the chop, if you zoom in on that. So basically what you have here is a market that didn't really go anywhere. It had this choppy uptrend, sell-off, and then choppy uptrend. And so this point is right in there. The closing price is right at this low and not much different than the open. The difference between the open and the close is small, while the market makes a move higher, quickly moves lower, and then moves back to that range. And so considering the chop that we had, not bad today, not bad managing this with the gains yesterday. And so we have one trading day left on the month, and Jay Powell speaks tomorrow, so maybe some trends or some more chop. Tick count trend had a series of losers and made a comeback towards the end of the day. Tick wave took this long trade. The market just wouldn't break either way. In a larger time frame, look at the 1 minute bars on a larger time frame. It looks like it's going to break out here. It looks like it's going to break down. It looks like it's going to break out. Then it looks like it's going to break down. It looks like it's going to break out. So about five different breakout points on the 5 minute bars the last 2 hours. And so 1 for 3 on the S&P stock index 18 and 2 for 4 on the Nasdaq. Viper went 2 out of 3 trades. When I say 2 for 4, I'm talking about 2 profitable strategies out of 4 strategies, not the number of trade, but the strategies themselves. So Viper is one of the winning strategies. Tick reversal had a nice short, got short again, and then prop and chop at the end of the day. We got that chop, sell off, and then prop and chop at the end of the day. Familiar pattern. 2022 probably end up going down as one of those. The year 2022, the year that there was a bear market that was hard to short in the afternoon. It was hard to short intraday, and so it's interesting to see how difficult it is to short a market that's supposedly in a bear market. We've talked about that before. Are we really in a bear market if it's this hard to short, if it's constantly propped up? By definition, it's off the highs by more than 20%. But so it just feels like a repricing period more than a bear market. Tick reversal 2023, small loss on the day. Tick wave NQ, tried to get long in here, stopped out, and then it rallied. So ultra choppy day. And then had it not been for Zig Zag is supposed to do good on days like today. Had it not been for this strategy, now these are 2 E-minis on each. Zig Zag really had a rough day. So minus 67.75. Let's look at the chart equity curve for Zig Zag, and we released it. We developed it back in here at the end of May of 2022, or actually it was the end of May of 2020. Yeah, May of 2022, and I watched it going forward for several months. We released it in the portfolio in this time frame, started trading it, and it's gotten a lot choppier. I've seen that before. Sometimes when you trade a strategy, the equity curve gets choppier, and then when you stop trading it, it is less choppy. So that's interesting. Momentum reversal plus 1340, and then gap continuation 2019 plus 1830. These are based on 2 E-minis. And EVP1 lost on the long side. I mean, we had some good trades. The data moving average was up yesterday big, up a little bit today. So these are the ES strategies. 1 for 3 on the S&P strategies for the Blitz 10. And then on this, we were 2 for 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These two strategies won, EVP lost, and Zig Zag lost. And so 2 for 4 on the Nasdaq, 1 for 1 on the S&P on the Blitz 10. And so overall, a down day. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the month. We should have the portfolio calculator updated. And those are the trades again, once again, on November the 29th, 2022.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.